Get out of my crib. Get out of my food. And the woodpecker and the cardinal were just here at the same time. The woodpecker was above, the cardinal's below. The woodpecker is now up on that post somewhere. I don't know where he flew to. Hopefully he'll come back. Cardinal's gone, woodpecker's back. There we go. Look at that guy. Look at that guy. Now go take your food to your nest. Or fly up there with it. Wherever you want. So he's up there. Right. Oh, he's coming back. There we go. Get yourself some. Oh, that with the birds right, the cat's right there. It's a woodpecker. Tuna. Look at this guy sifting through. I totally missed the perfect shot though, because I literally had that woodpecker there, and then this cardinal just came right back. And Tuna's having a blast. The woodpecker's bound to come back. He seems to take food, fly away, eat it, and then come back. And there he is. And he's going to fight with people. So this is my food. He's going to take off. Right to there. Go eat. Oh, he might have poked a hole in the post. And he might be storing food in there. I don't know. Yeah, see? He'll come back any second now, watch. There he is. I know your pattern now, dude. I know what you're up to. Say cheese. See you later. Hey, and he's back. It's a lot of action here today. And the cat's got a front row seat.